Hello all. In this video, we will be seeing how can we extract text from different elements. Extracting text is one of the most important features in any of the automation tool. So for this example, we are going to use the same page we have been using in the almost all of the old exercises. We are going to extract this text from the header. We are going to extract this subtext. We are going to extract the text that we are going to write in this text box. So let's quickly start. Let's add a file with the name of getText.js. As normal, as usual, I'm going to copy the code from the previous file. Let me copy the code. I'm going to paste it. Let's see what it is going to do. Now the steps it's going to do is it's going to navigate to this page, type something, and then extract three texts: the first text, second text, and the third text from this input box. Now let's see. Before that, let's quickly create the selectors for the different elements. As usual, I will right click here, go to inspect, and I know this is a header. So creating the selector for this is very easy. Simply use this, copy and paste. Now give the name as header, and here the selector will be very easy, H1, because this is a H1 type. Now the second text we have to extract is this one. Do the same thing, bring the cursor here, and you can see it is inside the paragraph, and that paragraph is inside the header. So that too becomes very easy. We will do the same thing. I'll give the name as para, and the selector will be header space P. Space P means P is coming inside this header. I'm going to save it now. After I'm done with this and after everything is done, I would like to extract the text now. So for that, I'll again create a constant. I'll give the name as text1. I'm going to use await, and then I'm going to type the name of the selector as this one. And what it is going to do, I would like to get the value for this. Done. I'll again create constant text2. For this one, this is the header one, and I would like to get the inner text. Similarly, I'm going to do for the third one. So for third one, it is para, and similarly I would like to get the inner text, and this is a 3. Now, as we have seen in the last video where we are going to print the messages console, let's do the same thing. I'm importing colors from colors. This is done. Now let's quickly print this. Console.log and print this value .red. Let's quickly copy this, and I'm having text2. This I would like to get in yellow, and text3 I would like to get in rainbow color. With this I'm done. So the first text, which is the header one, should show us example. The second one, the first one is the input we are typing here, so it should show us full stack QA. Second is the header, it should show us example, and the third is going to show us this web page is used as sample in TestCafe tutorials. Let's save it and let's run it. TestCafe Chrome. The name of the file is getText.js. Now let's run it. Again, we are not much focused about what it's going to do, but the outcome, which is extracting text, is very important. So going to open the browser, navigate to the URL, maximize it, type the text, wait for a second, and then going to close it. Now you can see that as we discussed, the first, which is in red, is the color value of text1, which is the name input where we are inputting full stack QA. We got it. Second in green, in yellow, is actually the header, which is example, and the third is this one, the text. This web page is used as a sample in TestCafe tutorials, which is in rainbow color. So this is how we can extract the text using value inner text and print it using the console. Thank you.